So do you also use Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create or update Mailercloud subscriber for Facebook lead ads lead. So I run Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for my business, and here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ad, then automatically using the details, a new subscriber should be created in my Mailercloud account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ads with my Mailercloud account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically create or update Mailercloud subscribers whenever you get a new lead from Facebook lead ads. This automation ensures that every lead is instantly added to your email list, helping you engage with potential customers without any manual effort. So whether you want to send welcome emails, promotional offers, or nurture sequences, this integration will save you time and keep your email marketing running smoothly. So as you all know that I run Facebook lead ads to capture potential customers, and I want to make sure every lead is added to my Mailercloud email list instantly. This helps me send them welcome emails, special offers, or follow-up sequences without any delay. So instead of manually exporting and updating my subscriber list, I want to use automation to add or update each lead in real time. This way I can engage with my audience immediately, improve conversions, and save valuable time that I had otherwise spent on manual data entry. So here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Facebook lead ad with my Mailercloud account using an automation software. And now firstly here in this video, we are going to see the working of this automation by simply generating a test lead for my Facebook lead ad using a lead ads testing tool by Meta. So here you can see my Facebook lead ad, and here I've filled out this form to generate a test lead using lead ads testing tool by Meta. So here you can see all the pre-filled details, and here my objective is as soon as I'm going to make a submission over here, then automatically using the details, a new contact should be created in my Mailercloud account. Okay, so now let's go and test it. So here I'm going to generate a test lead over here. So I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. That means we have successfully generated a test lead. So now let's go and check our Mailercloud account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see under contacts, we have successfully created a new contact with the email as demo@pabblytudes.com and the name as demo. Okay, so with this, we have successfully seen the working of this automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ad with your Mailercloud account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create or update Mailercloud subscriber for Facebook lead ads lead. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a folder window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I'm receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. Okay, so Facebook lead ads are a type of advertising format on Facebook that helps businesses collect contact information from people interested in their products or services. So here in my Facebook lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ad, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here after selecting my trigger event, I'm going to click on this connect given over here. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So here we easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Facebook account. Okay, so now moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you my Facebook page that I've created with the name Digital Dynamics. So here for the page, I'm going to select my page which is named as Digital Dynamics. So this is my Facebook page. And now here after selecting my page, it is asking me for the lead gen form. So for that, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So here under lead ads form, you can see the lead ads form which I have created. So here you can create your own lead ad form as per your need. And here in this particular case, I'm going to use a form which is named as new form. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my form as new form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want that leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here after selecting my page on the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see after clicking on the save and send test request, here it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool by Meta. And now here we are going to use this lead ads testing tool to generate a new test lead for our Facebook lead ad. So here it says you can create one lead per form and you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to create a new lead, we need to delete our previous lead. So for that, I'm going to click on this delete lead. And then I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. And again here I'm going to select my page which is named as Digital Dynamics and my form which is named as new form. And now I'm going to click on this preview form. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the service, I'm going to select a random service, random time. Here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com, and then I'm going to enter a random phone number, and then I'm going to enter the company name as ABC Company, and I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the service interest, best time to contact, first name, last name, email, phone number, company name, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then I want to add that lead to my Mailercloud as a new subscriber. So for that, I need to connect my Mailercloud account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Mailercloud. So Mailercloud is an email marketing tool that helps businesses create, send and manage email campaigns. So here in my Mailercloud action step, I'm going to select my action event as create or update a subscriber. So that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ad, then automatically that lead should be created as a new subscriber in my Mailercloud account. Okay, so now here to connect my Mailercloud with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Mailercloud account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API key. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Mailercloud account, and from here I'm going to move back, and then I'm going to click on this profile icon given in the left side corner, and from here I'm going to select accounts. And from here, I'm going to click on this integration given on the top, and then you can see we have received the option for API keys. So now here I'm going to generate a new API key by clicking on this create API key, and then I'm going to give a name to my API key, that is new test key. And now after giving a name to my key, I'm going to click on this generate key. And here we have successfully generated a new API key. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API key. Now here after entering the API key, I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the list. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see the list that I've created in my Mailercloud account. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my list as new leads, as I want to create new subscriber in this particular list. So now moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the email, first name, middle name, last name, and some other details. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received from my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map my lead's email address. So this is my lead's email. Moving forward, here these tags are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank, but if you want to add any tag, then you can do it as per your need. Here for the first name, I'm going to map the first name. Again, this middle name is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the last name, I'm going to map the last name. Moving forward, here I'm going to map the phone number. Scrolling a little down, again these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave all of them blank. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new subscriber in our Mailercloud account for the new lead received through our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to click on this audience, and from here I'm going to select list. And here in the list, I'm going to select new leads, and then I'm going to click on contacts. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the email as dummy@pabblydudes.com and the name as dummy. So with this, we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Mailercloud, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly that lead is going to be created as a new subscriber in our Mailercloud account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create or update Mailercloud subscriber for Facebook lead ads lead. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.